Hey everybody, James here from All American Guardian. Okay, today on this video, I'm going to talk about how to find out where a website is being hosted. Okay, so whether you're doing market research for yourself to maybe try to mimic another website that's got really good fast speed, that pages load quickly, the website looks great, or maybe you're doing competition research to find out what your competitors are doing and where they're hosting their websites and where you can get a leg up on them. I'm going to show you how to find out where a website is hosted. Okay, so sometimes it can be masked, M-A-S-K-E-D, but for the most part, you can figure out where any website is hosted. So we're just going to go and type in, there's that Houston Pet Grooming. I was using that earlier for another video that I shot. So I'm going to go like a few pages deep here just to get on something different. All right, Furry Tales Dog Grooming. There we go. And I don't know, this might be a WordPress site. Let's just check and see. I'm going to do view page source. Nope. This is not a WordPress site. But regardless, we can take this domain name, copy it. We can go over to another website called WhoIs.com. And we can paste that in there. And there we go. It's going to give us a lot of information on this website that you wouldn't normally see or know unless you know how to do this. So they bought their domain at the 1&1 registrar, which is a hosting company as well. And then this here is some really funky looking domain name servers. So I'm going to copy this. Sometimes just the name of these name servers will reveal who they're hosting with. So let's just say, like, I'm just making up one, Bluehost, for example. It might be ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. But sometimes, like GoDaddy, they don't have the word GoDaddy in their name server. Their name servers actually say domain control. So I'm wondering if this particular setup for this name server, this string of letters and numbers, is something that 1&1 does for their hosting. I'm going to find out real quick. Let's just paste that in there and see where that leads us. Site can't be reached. Let's go to Google, paste it in there. Let's see. I am not really sure. So I'm not really sure on this one. Sometimes it's very hard to tell, and if we dug around enough, we could probably find out. So something else that you can find out on the WhoIs, if the website owner has not purchased a privacy protection, which is what I recommended, the WhoIs Guard. A lot of their private, well, you would think it's private, but really it's just public information if they're not protecting it. It's kind of like being listed in the phone book, okay? I don't know if you remember back in the day, the phone books, I think some of them even had an address for people. So it would have your first and last name, your phone number, and your address. That's a lot of information. So right here we can see this particular website, Furry Tales Dog Grooming. Whoever registered that domain, their name is Michaela Sandoval, and that's the organization's the name of the website. 407 Noonday Lane, Houston, Texas. It's even got phone numbers, a fax number, and a personal email account. So this is also another good way to go in here and find lots of data on your competitors, okay, if you're trying to find out information. I'm really thinking that these name servers have something to do with 1&1 Internet, because down here the technical contact says Hostmaster 1&1 Internet Inc. and it's even got a hostmaster at 1&1 email down here. So I'm pretty sure, safe to say, this website is hosted at 1&1. Let's just check out another one just for what's in giggles. Let's see. John Andrews Pet Salon. Click on that. Let's go back over to the WhoIs. Paste it in. Click the green button. Okay, now this one is actually, he's got his stuff blocked. He's got it set to private. So he bought his domain name on GoDaddy, and then his DNS, his name servers here are bizsiteservice.com. Once again, I have no idea. It's so funny. There's a million hosting companies out there, and a lot of businesses end up getting pulled into a hosting company by like somebody who built their website, and so they really have no idea. I mean, there's just a lot of no-name hosting companies out there. Let's look up another one. What's that? Dogsaredaycare.com. This looks like a WordPress website for sure. Let's see. Let's go to view page source, and if this is not a WordPress website, I would be very surprised, but I don't see any WordPress stuff in here. Looking. Wow. Yeah, I don't think it is. It just kind of looks like one. I don't see anything related to WordPress in this code. Let's do this. WP-admin. Didn't bring us anywhere. All right, so just curious. I was just checking to see if it's WordPress, the way I showed y'all how to do that in a previous video. Let's come back over to the WhoIs, paste it in there. They don't have their information out here either, I don't think. Look, domain admin, privacy protect. So they've got, again, a name server that I've never heard of. Arvixa shared. No idea what that is. Very bizarre. Let's do this. Let's go to Houston roofing companies. Man, these pet groomers, they're using some strange stuff. Let's go to the second page. Prodigy Roofing. Let's take that. Go put it into the WhoIs. So I hope y'all are kind of getting the idea here. Basically, this is just, sometimes you get lucky and you get a good match and you're able to get some information on a particular website and the business and maybe the business owner. And other times it's kind of, dead end. But as you can see here, prodigyroofing.com, their information is private. The only thing here they've got is the registrant's contact name. Akil, I'm not going to even try to pronounce that because that would butcher the name. But you can see they purchased this domain on GoDaddy. It also tells you the date and when it expires, which is kind of cool. And then right here, name servers. Remember I said domain control means GoDaddy. So this guy purchased his domain on GoDaddy and he's hosting with GoDaddy. I'm just curious. Let's go see how fast this guy's site is. And I will explain more about this tool on the next video. But just out of curiosity here, let's see if he's running 4+ seconds. Really, you want your website to load in under 3 seconds. I'm actually still constantly tweaking mine because I want to get it fast as possible. But if you're hovering around 3 seconds or so, that's fair. 4 seconds actually is not bad considering he's on a GoDaddy server, because a lot of times when I get clients and they're on GoDaddy server, this number could be 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 8. I mean, it can be a lot. So, You don't want your visitors having to sit around forever waiting for pages to load. Anyhow, this video is already 10 minutes long. I just wanted to show you all how to use the WhoIs information, how to be able to look up websites right here in this little search bar and get public information on the business owners, when they registered that domain, when it expires. You can also see where they purchased their domain, where they're hosting their domain, and then sometimes it's even got contact information in there. So if you have any questions about using WhoIs, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
All American Guardian, keeping vigil watch over your business website.